Okay, this is going to be a demo of several things. The first is going to be control with a gamepad remotely, like from the office. You're training somebody. You can see that I'm shifting the rocker switch on the gamepad, and where it says main menu under the blue box down there, it's shifting the menu. I'm going to go down to ratio, select ratio, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just hit the corresponding button on the gamepad for hotkey 2, and this is testing a single tap 2000 to 5. You can see in the lower right corner of the screen the CT ratio test. The voltage is ramping up. It's seeking 0.1 volts per turn on the single primary turn, and it will usually go a little over that. We have 2000.51 to 5. Now what it does, it's connected to the CT is connected to the output jacks. I'm not using the multi-tap taps. So since you want one button to go either single or multi-tap, what it's going to do is it's going to check and see if the ratio is the same. It will know that it's a single tap, and it will go on and do the one saturation curve. It has now proceeded into the saturation mode, and it's going to perform a saturation test on X1. You can see the voltage and current. The voltage ramping up, and it's taking voltage and current reading again down there in the lower right corner. Okay, it has plotted the curve on both the web and the screen of the test set. It is now uploading the data to the server. Saving it to the internal flash drive of the test set. And now I can check the data. I can see that it's what I want. I can click Generate Report. Then I wait until the news feed clears. This is breaker 330. And this job right there. So I have the data. The raw data, I can click Generate PDF Data Sheet, and there's the data sheet. I got the saturation data, the saturation curve. I just plot the knee of the curve. The ratio and the ratio error is all right there. If I had entered, I didn't enter megohms and winding resistance and all that, but if I had, that would be on there. That is the web database generated data sheet. So now what I'm going to do is I'll go over to the test set here. I will start the FTP server in the test set. I'm using the menu for that on the test set for that. Okay, and then what I'll do is I will find the alternative method of doing this. Going to the USB drive and hitting the app here. Pressing the FTP button, and I now have transferred that same data to the alternative data sheet method, the data viewer. It has also been saved to a randomly numbered file, which I can also open from this list right here. And that is the 2 ways of doing a data sheet. Thanks for watching.